Here I want to know where did you find our focus?
Well, we find Focus because we check in a website about some printing companies, and we find Focus for that reason.
Okay, so you come to our factory right now to check the machine?
Yes.
Okay, so when you come to our factory, I want to know how do you think our factory?
The factory looks very technological. You have a lot of equipment. You have a lot of different kind of printers.
So what do you think of our focus team?
FocusInc?
Yeah.
Well, at the moment, you guys being very kind. But at the end, what we will value a company is yes.
It is more convenient.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how do you think of our focus team?
Well, we are still trying to develop some tests because in this case, we will use the printer for coffee bags. So we are checking how we will develop it.
Okay. So will you choose our focus printer?
We still need to test the machine. So yeah, we are on the testing stage for the machine. So after test, we will let you know.
So we will wait for your review.
Thank you so much. I love Focus.
Okay, thank you.